Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Update on 1000 Days Challenge. These days it's 2022, so let's get things started. So finally, I'm actually just close in terms of just ended my current job right now, and I'm actually moving to another job coming next week. So yeah, I think things may be a little bit busy about moving places, moving to a new place, changing job, and things like that. So yeah, I'm probably trying to get things going a little bit in the coming few weeks, but let's see how things goes with the new job as well. But over this weekend, I'm also busy still catching up a little bit of a moving place, and also tomorrow having a little bit of catch up in terms of my ex-colleagues and stuff like that. So yeah, let's good. Let's see how things goes. But yeah, all right. Otherwise, in terms of a daily market structure update itself, what you can see very clearly for US markets, that things still looks to be relatively healthy in terms of pullback wise. Like what I mentioned, S&P 500 still maintained above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement from the recent high and recent low. And Nasdaq still remain near the 0.600 Fibonacci retracement from the recent high to the recent low. And then finally, for ASHRT, where China market things to be a little bit flat. So even after the Chinese government saying that they should be supportive of their capital market itself, it doesn't seem to have a very strong impact yet in terms of price action. So it's a little bit of a worry in my opinion. But bear in mind, on the flip side, it doesn't also have any further kind of a reaction in terms of bearish momentum and sentiment in that sense. So obviously, in terms of upside potential is definitely there, especially if the Chinese government do see the potential for the need to have a strong capital market. Uh, Tentatively, because having a strong capital market does give chance or the capital for the companies to actually grow at even a stronger pace. On the other hand, the weak capital market does definitely makes it harder to actually raise capital. Not to say that it's impossible. In fact, if actually investor willing to invest, it's still tentatively possible, be it in terms of loans wise or in terms of issuing bonds wise in that sense. All right. Other than that, in terms of crypto market right now, I would say that BTC is right now in a very critical support region itself. We are trying to barely hold a 39.5K upslope trend line. So I wouldn't say it's a fixed 39.5K, but just not the range. So if we do consolidate, say, especially over this weekend, and we do break kind of coming next week itself, I do see a very strong bearish momentum, in which case we could definitely retest the 35, 30K region or even lower than that. But let's see how things goes according to it. Of course, we could also have a very clear double bottom. If we do hit near the 30K region, a very strong bounce, that could potentially be another way that things could happen as well. All right, but of course, as what I mentioned on the forward chart, I don't see very clear long short setup in terms of the risk to reward that is happening right now. If I were to enter a short now, my stop loss range will still be a little bit too high. So if it does consolidate a bit more, maybe across the weekend, then I'll be more keen to enter potential short setup on the forward chart basis. All right, otherwise, that's more or less about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, or I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.